Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome to the chemistry class. Today in this class we will discuss about the second part of the chapter solid state, in which we will discuss about space lattice. So what is the space lattice and unit cell? Okay. So firstly, what is the space lattice? So the three-dimensional arrangement of structural units or constituent particles like atom, molecule or ions in a crystal is known as space lattice or crystal lattice or simply lattice. So in crystal lattice, the location of structural units are shown by the points, and these locations are called the lattice point or lattice site. So it is a three-dimensional network of the crystal lattice, okay, in which one unit is basically known as the unit cell. Okay, so it is in a crystal lattice which is made up of many squares, in which one square is basically known as the unit cell. So the definition of unit cell is the smallest three-dimensional group of lattice point which when repeated in three dimensional in space given whole lattice of the crystals, means it is a single unit of a three-dimensional network of a crystalline solid, basically known as the unit cell. Okay, so parameter of unit cell. So in unit cell you can take one axis. So 1, 2 and 3, these are known as the edges ABC, and between two edges there will be angle alpha, beta and gamma, and all angle will be 90 degree in a cubic system. Okay, so now come to the type of unit cell. First is primitive unit cell. In primitive unit cell there is basically a cubic system will be present. Okay, so the unit cell in which the constituent particles are present only at the corners are called primitive unit cell. This is the cubic system, and at this cubic system, at the in this cubic system at each corner there will be one point or one atom, molecule, ion will be present as a constituent particle. So it is known as the primitive unit cell or basic unit cell or simply unit cell. Okay, so the crystal lattice having the primitive unit cell is called simple crystal lattice. Now the 7 crystal systems or crystal habits are given by the Auguste Brevias according to the unit cell. So what are these 7 crystal systems? Number 1 is cubic or isomeric system. So in cubic system there will be, if you will take at one edge, so all the edges A, B and C will be equal and all the angle alpha, beta and gamma will be 90 degree. But in case of trigonal system, the A and B will be equal but C will not equal. So A equals to B not equal to C, but the bond angles between two edges will be 90 degrees. So alpha equals to beta equals to gamma. In case of orthorhombic system, all the edges are different, so A not equal to B not equal to C, and but bond angle will be 90 degree. Okay, now rhomboidal system, in this all the edges will be equal but the bond angles alpha equals to beta will equal, alpha equals to beta equals to gamma is not equal to 90, means all the angles will not be 90 degree, they will be different. Now monoclinic system, to in which all the edges will be different and also alpha and gamma will be 90 degree but beta not equal to 120 degree. That is basically known as the monoclinic system. Now next hexagonal systems, in which alpha equals to beta equals to C, A equals to B but not equal to C, but the bond angles means alpha equals to beta 90 but and gamma will be 120 degree. And this is the triclinic system, in which all the edges will be different and also all the angles will also be different. Okay, so this is known as the triclinic system. So these are the basically 7 crystal systems that are known as the 7 crystal system and divided into total 14 Brevias lattice. Okay, now so these are the explanation of these one by one. You can see here there is a table is given in which there is a condition axial distance and axial angles with example. For example, cubic, there is a equals to b equal to c and alpha equal to gamma equal to alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree and example this. So this is the table with example you can see here. Now come to the it was the simply cubic or isomeric system. It was first, that is known as the cubic or isomeric system, which was divided into 7 crystal system Bravais lattice. Now come to the second. Second is face centered unit cell. Face centered unit cell. So the unit cell in which the constituent particles are present at the corner of each face in addition to particles at the corner are known as the face centered unit cell. Means in first there was the constituent particles was present only at the corners, then it was known as the simple cubic system. Okay, but in face centered cubic system there will constituent particles will be present at the corner and also at the face of the cube. All the faces of the cube is known as the face centered cubic center. Okay, you can see here face centered unit cell in which you can see at all corner there will be particles are present. With this there are 4 faces, there are total 6 faces. At the all 6 faces also there will be one particle will be present at the center. So it is known as the face centered unit cell. Okay, next body centered unit cell in which constituent particles will be present at the corner, all the corner of cube and also one particle will be present at the center of this cube. So it is known as the body centered unit cell. And it is side centered unit cell in which there are total 8 corners in which at the all corners there will be particles, constituent particle will be present, and instead of this there will be 2 particles are present at the face center, that is above face and below face. Then it is known as the side centered unit cell. Okay, now that is body centered and side centered as I have discussed here. Okay, now come to the crystal system and possible type of unit cell. So in cubic system there are primitive, face centered, body centered. 3 type of unit cells will be present. In tetragonal there are primitive and body centered. Orthorhombic, primitive, face centered, body centered, side centered. Rhomboidal, primitive, monoclinic, primitive and side centered. Hexagonal, primitive, triclinic, primitive. So total 14 systems may be possible for the 7 crystal system is known as the Bravais lattice. Okay, so now cubic system and related calculations. So different type of cube systems are known as I have discussed before. Simple cubic system in which basically at the all corners there will be constituent particle present. Okay, next body centered and third face centered cubic. So these are basically 3 forms. Now number of particles per unit in different cubic system. I will calculate the number of particles per unit cell in different cubic system. So for rules for calculating the number of particles in cubic unit cell, number 1, each particles at the corner of cubic unit cell is shared equally by 8 unit cell in the lattice. So a particle present at the corner of constituent only 1 by 8 at the cubic unit cell. Okay, means for a 1 unit cell there will be partition of 1 by 8th particle at the corner. Okay, 1 by 8 means 1 crystal unit cell, so 1 point will be shared by total 8 other unit cells. So the contribution at corners for a atom will be 1 by 8. Okay, now second point, the particle present at the center of the face of a cube unit cell is shared by equally 2 unit cell. So according to the 2 unit cell, half will be for this cell and half will be for this cell. So at the center of body, the contribution of particle will be 1 by 2, half. Okay, second rule, 1 by 2. And third rule, a particle present at the body center of cubic unit cell belong to that particular unit cell. Therefore at the center there will be 1, because it was present in the center of one unit cell, so it is not shared with other unit cell. So the contribution for this atom, this constituent particle, will be 1. Next, a particle present at the center of the edge in cubic unit cell is shared equally by 4 unit cell. So at the center of edge, if we will talk about the center of edge, then the contribution will be 1 by 4. Okay, now okay, thank you, have a nice day.